In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform raw data from geodatasets using the log2 function in RStudio. First, find datasets with raw data. Go to NCPI and in the drop-down menu, select geodatasets. Enter the condition and organism that you're interested in. In this tutorial, I'll use liver carcinoma and Homo sapiens. Now click search and wait for it to load. Make sure that the entry type is set to datasets, and now browse for your desired dataset. For example, this one, it has count in the description. This means it's raw and untransformed. Just click this and navigate to the search bar where you can see the accession number of this dataset. Right-click on this and click copy so that we can use that later. Now go back to your RStudio application and create a new file. In here, I have a prepared script for transforming data using log2. Now, first you have to install these two packages, the BioC Manager and the GeoQuery. Since I've installed them both, I will skip this step. Next, you have to load the library GeoQuery. Ctrl+Enter to run the code. Next, download the dataset from Geo using its accession number. Here, change the variable name and then use the function getGeo and paste your accession number right here. Make sure that GSE matrix is set to true and then run the code. Now that it has loaded, we can check this data. This data table right here is what we need to extract. So to do that, go back to your R script and then add your variable name and use this function, GSE at data table at table. Then Ctrl+Enter to run the command. So you can see here, it has loaded the express set. You can see your extracted data table. So you can see it has raw untransformed data, and the expression values start from column 3 onwards. Now we have to convert these expression values from column 3 onwards to numeric format. We have to apply restrictions to avoid converting the first two columns into numeric format. Now go back to your R script and enter this command. This means that only the third column onwards will be converted into numeric format. To convert it to numeric, use lapply express set and 3nco express set and convert it to numeric using as.numeric. Ctrl+Enter. Next, create a copy of the dataset to apply the log2 transformation. This will make a copy so that the original stays unchanged for comparison or reuse. Now rename for your variable and the variable that you want to make a copy of. Ctrl+Enter. Next, apply log2 transformation to all expression values from column 3 onwards using this code. Adding 1 will avoid log0. Ctrl+Enter. Next, convert the final matrix into a data frame. just change the variable name. In this case, I'll use log2 express set df. Then I changed it into data frame by using this function and then the variable that I want to convert into a data frame. Lastly, save the transformed data as CSV file into your desired path by typing write.csv and then the variable that you want to save, file equals code file path. To find this, go to your Files app, click this right here, and copy the text. Go back to your application and change file path into the copied text. Change the backslashes into forward slashes. And at the end of the file path, add another forward slash and the name that you want your file to be saved as. And don't forget .csv. Then Ctrl+Enter to run the code. As you can see, it has been successfully saved. Now we can open our file and check our transformed data. As you can see right here, you have successfully transformed the raw data that we have extracted earlier. That's it for applying log2 transformation to raw datasets using RStudio.